Cryptocurrency warning. Bitcoin might drop 50% soon. Here's why. That is a big question mark, right? Analysis of key factors signaling Bitcoin's potential decline, including market trends and economic conditions. And I will explain you in 10 key points. Number 1. Bitcoin BTC set to drop 50%. Is the crash coming? Many experts believe Bitcoin could lose half its value soon. In this video, we'll look at the key reasons like big investors selling, market trends, and global economic problems that could cause Bitcoin to crash. Bitcoin is struggling, and many signs suggest a big price drop is coming. It could be regulations, interest rates, or panic selling. Panic selling caused Bitcoin to crash. Some of the top crypto experts are warning that Bitcoin might fall by 50%. Now, why do they think this will happen? If Bitcoin crashes, will you be prepared? We'll explain what's causing this fear, and from major investors pulling out, learn what you can do to protect your money before it's too late. Bitcoin price is going up and down, and some experts say it could drop by half. The crypto market is unpredictable, many of you know, and Bitcoin might be in danger. Why? Bitcoin is in dangerous position and many investors are worried. Bitcoin has gone up fast, but it could crash just as quickly. We'll look at Bitcoin past crashes, okay? What history tells us and whether this could be another big drop in the making. A big shakeup might be coming for Bitcoin. I'll explain what's happening, what's causing this fear, and how you can be ready for a big price drop. Some analysts think Bitcoin is in a bubble, growing too fast and about to pop. And we'll talk about why they believe this, right? What it means for Bitcoin's future, and whether this could be a big crash or just another dip. Disclaimer: this is for information and learning purpose only, not an investment advice. Subscribe, like, share, and follow for more updates on this. Thank you.